Okay, we're going to start off with some two-digit subtraction with trading, and we look at this question, 45 minus 27, and we know that it needs trading because when we start off on the units here, 5 minus 7, I know that I can't take 7 away from 5, 7's too big, so it needs to be trading. So what we need to do is we need to borrow or trade from the tens. So I'm going to make this 3 up here because we're trading a 10, bringing it over to here, and 10 plus 5 is 15 to make it work. So again, we're trading a 10 from this side over to here. 10 plus 5 is 15 to make it work. So we go 15 minus 7 equals 8, and then your 10s, 3 minus 2 equals 1. The answer is 18. The next question, I know this one needs trading because 3 minus 8, 8 is bigger than 3, so it needs trading to make it make sense. So, cross out these two. 3 plus 10, this side is always plus 10, 3 plus 10 is 13. The 1 goes down to 0, we've taken that 10 over to this side. 13 minus 8 is 5. And then we get to here, 0 minus 7. Now 0 minus 7 doesn't work, 7's bigger than 0. What do? We have to trade again. So the 0's crossed out, the 2's crossed out. 10 plus 0, because this side we do 10, is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. And then we take 1 away from the 2, so that's 1. Now we say 10 minus 7 equals 3. 1 minus 1 is nothing, so the answer is 35. Now this one, we've got a three-digit number, 120 minus 107. I know it needs trading because 7 is bigger than 0 in the units. So let's cross these out. We've got a 0. We need a plus 10 on this side. So 0 plus 10 is 10. The 2 becomes a 1. 10 minus 7 is 3. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. We don't do anything. So your answer is 13. This one, 603 minus 177. This one's harder. The 0's in the middle. So what we do is we look at this and we say, okay, we know it needs trading. 3 is smaller than 7. You can't say 3 minus 7. It doesn't work, so we need to trade. So we cross these out. This becomes 13. Now this one, 0, I can't go less than 0. So what do? So what we do is instead of looking at the 0, we look at the hundreds as well. 60 hundreds make 600. Sorry, I'll say that again. 60 tens make 600. So instead of looking at the 0 tens, let's look at the 60 tens. And I can take 1 away from the 60 tens. I can take a 10 away from that. That's 59. The 6 becomes a 5. The 0 becomes a 9. And now we can work it out. 13 minus 7 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. And your answer is 426.